that.
Hi friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Tiana and today I'm going to be unboxing this crazy sand. Today I'm going to be having fun with crazy sand and today's theme is going to be a desert island with dinosaurs and Jake and the Neverland pirates. Okay guys, now I'm going to be opening Jake and the Neverland Pirates on the crazy sand. This is what you get inside the box. You get some tools and you get some instructions and a tray that says crazy sand. And of course you get the sand. Okay friends, this is everything you get in a Jake and the Neverland Pirates Play-Doh set. You get this treasure chest that you can open and there's a little mould. You get this cannon where you just put some Play-Doh in there, then you push this. You just put Jake's sword through there. You can choose a shape. And there's a dolphin mould and a Izzy mould and a Jake mould and a crocodile mould. And there's this crocodile where you just lay some Play-Doh out, then you can pull this and then this spins, then it'll cut. And the colours of the Play-Doh you get are red, blue and golden. And that's everything you get in the box. Okay friends, now I'm going to open the crazy sand. Put that there. I'm going to open this bag up. Got some new scissors. Here are all the tools that you get. Okay, now I'm going to pour all the crazy sand into this little area where you can play with it. This feels weird because I got kinetic sand. Wow, this feels amazing compared to my kinetic sand I've got. This feels so soft. Watch how easy it breaks. Wow, look at that. Looks so cool. Now I'm going to arrange my desert island. Okay friends, now I'm going to make some moulds and they're going to be Jake and Izzy, but first we're going to make Jake. So let's get started. Okay friends, now going to make Izzy. There's Izzy. Now I'm going to make this giant castle mould. There's my castle. I hope you like my molds, guys. Okay, now I'm going to have some fun, but first I'm going to make some treasure out of Play-Doh. Very sparkly. There's a mould here. Looks like lots of gems and jewels. Now it's time to have some fun. Come on, Jake, let's go and stop Captain Hook to get that treasure. Wow, look at this beach. It feels so soft. Look at that pink sandcastle over there. Wow. Look, I see the treasure, Jake. Watch out, Izzy. There's dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Look, there's a giant T-Rex! Yeah. Watch out, Izzy! He's going to get you! Ah! Help me, Jake! I'm afraid I can't. But look, there's a crocodile that's going to help you. Don't worry, I'll help you by cutting up this dinosaur in half. Hop on. Thank you. Now let's get that treasure and go. Dinosaurs are coming, look! Look at this dinosaur. How come I didn't see that one? Ah, it's gonna get our treasure! What about that one there? I'm not sure about that one. But I think it's going to stop us. Ah! Izzy! Ah! Spot me on the treasure! Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And can you please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye!